everyone, Professor Brainius here, and I want to invite all my junior scientist friends at Harmony Schools to join with me at your science fair on April 21st. I'm so excited to be there. I'm going to perform one of my fun interactive science shows for each and every one of you. Come join me, have a great attitude, and remember, never stop learning.